and take the key away. She couldn't even drop the key where we used to drop our key. It was my security man that helped me break the door. The door, Sam, the door is still open. Sam, Sabiman Bia, come, Yagodi. Is still funny to me. Because I don't, it's still funny to me. Sabiman, nah, all this man be in Yalomaka where we are cooling the odor. Nah, the hammer cook at Jinaka. Sabiman, you say you saw my wife, Tata. Can wait for that? Can you wait for that?
I saw her packing out.
Okay.
So,
as in, did she come with anything?
She come with a small truck.
Okay. So, so can you open an apple?
He carried some things, television, and some of other things. Then I asked her. He told me that you people want to pack out, that you people want to locate.
That is what she told you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you very much. You can go back to your post, my brother. Just go back. I will talk to you later. What I go? So the truth is that you can go. You can drop the. You can go. The truth is that I was having issues with my wife. There's no marriage that is perfect. I was having issues with my wife. I won't deny that we were not having issues. We were having a little misunderstanding. I went to job today. I was supposed to stay over. I was supposed to do the event and do the after party. I was supposed to come back tomorrow morning. But I was where I was doing event. My phone was beeping. My phone was beeping. I opened it. It was alert. Debit alert. Debit alert. Debit alert. Debit alert. And the account that the money was entering is my wife's account. First of all, I thought maybe she used my ATM to go and buy some things. But when I started seeing multiple alerts, both through mobile app, through POS, you know, ATM card, transfer from ATM, I started calling my wife. I called her, she wasn't picking. I called her, she wasn't picking. At a time, he started doing user busy, user busy, user busy, user busy. But if I call her with some other line, it will ring. I now realize that she has blocked all my 4 different mobile networks. First of all, I did not think of anything bad. I felt like maybe my wife is in trouble. Maybe they kidnap her and they are making her to withdraw money for them because she has the PIN to my ATM. We have ATM that I used to keep at home. My ATM, she has the PIN in case she needs anything. And I have an old phone that has my mobile app on it. That sometimes if I want to do transfer, I will charge the phone and then use the old mobile app. That is what I was, going through, and then I was thinking, I was reasoning, I was, so many things were going through my head. Could it be that my wife is in trouble? Could it be that my wife, so I left what I was supposed to do this night. I started driving like a madman from Enugu. Look at the time. Let me show you guys the time so that you will not think I'm joking. See the time. It is just past 10. Let me close my house before people will start coming in. Look at the time here. When I came into my house, I couldn't even have access to my own house. Where we used to keep the key when somebody goes out, my wife couldn't drop the key for me. When I rushed into my house, when I now discovered that something was wrong, was when I came in and I couldn't find our television. See how I messed my house. See, I couldn't find the TV here. I couldn't find the deck. Look at where we used to have our pictures here. My wife took everything and left my picture. Then I now entered into our bedroom. It was when I entered into our bedroom that I now realized that, okay, this is what is even happening. Look at, just look at. I entered into our room and wow. Look at our room. As if somebody was trying to run away. See, this place we used to have our child's wardrobe here. Our baby's wardrobe used to be here. Is no more there. I now opened my wife's part of the wardrobe and everywhere was empty. Look at it. Look at it. Look at my wife's wardrobe. This is where she used to keep her clothes. This is where she used to keep her bags and her shoes. This is where she used to keep her shoes as well. Everywhere was empty. This is where she used to keep her undies. Everything is empty. See my own part of the wardrobe. See my own here. See my own here. See my own here. See where I used to keep my stuffs. My wife took everything. My wife took the money I kept. I kept money here. I kept some cash here because I bought some money. You know, these days you buy money. I kept some money here. My wife took everything. My wife took the cash I have. But luckily for me, I didn't know what made me. I hid some of the money here. See, I hid some of the money here. Thank God she didn't see this one. I hid half of the money here. Because if she saw this one, she could have taken it. So that you guys would know that I'm not here for class or anything. Look at part of the money I bought. Wait, let me open it. Look at part of the money I bought. So I hid some of the money there. She couldn't see that one. So this is the only lock I have. See, she didn't see this one. Everything. She carried the laptop that somebody gave us. There's a laptop here. She took it. Her frame used to be here. Look at the opening. Look at the opening. Look at just look at. Then, if you know our room, there used to be a TV stand here. There used to be a TV here and a TV stand for our room. My wife called somebody and she made sure that they lost everything. The story behind it is that she was the person that bought some of these things that she took. So the plan is that she would take anything that she contributed in this marriage. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. Look at my house. Look at my house. I went to our mother-in-law's room and my mother-in-law's clothes, none is there. Look at, just take a look at. I don't know why she packed these flowers here. I think maybe she wanted to pack these flowers. Is it that she forgot it? Or I don't know, but she gathered it as somebody that wants to take them away. Our TV, everything. She carefully called somebody and they removed this thing from the wall. Look at it. She called a carpenter for her to achieve this thing. Maybe she was doing it very, very early in the morning. For her to achieve this thing. She started doing it very early in the morning. For her to achieve this thing. She made sure that this thing came out. Just watch. She removed everything here. Next time look at the time. This is 10. This is 10 in the night. My DSTV 2. See, our DSTV used to be here. Look at it. See, it's dark. Our DSTV used to be here. It is no more here. See? See? I don't know whether she even took. Yes, because because I asked them to go and fix the gen. So I don't know whether they brought back the gen and then she took the gen, because I've not spoken to that gen guy. See how empty my house is. I and my wife, let me sit down. I and my wife, we were having issues. Just like every other couple used to have issues. If you notice, we've not posted videos for some time now. If you've noticed, we've not posted video for some time, for some days now, because we couldn't even shoot. We couldn't even do anything together. She wanted us to divide everything. She wanted to leave. I've been trying to talk to her like a man would talk to a woman. But everything I did fell on deaf ears. Everything I did. I'm not a perfect person. I'm not a perfect man. Neither is she a perfect woman. I don't know whether I will say that this is internet curse. I don't know whether I will say that it is true that anything that you bring on the internet doesn't survive. God knows I'm not doing this for clout. God knows that I'm not doing this for sympathy. I'm doing this because I am genuinely pained. I'm doing this because I am genuinely affected. Who was Aisha before she met me? Who was Ijoma before she met me? Who knew her? I made Ijoma go viral for the first time in her life. There was a picture of Ijoma, my wife, that trended one time like that, where she was carrying plantain on her head as a copper. I know what she begged me, that she want to go viral. And I told her that I can do it for her. Who was she? I've been in this game even before they gave birth to her. When I started doing content creation, Ijoma should be in primary school. You can come here and say anything you want to say. It is fine. We had issues. I will not deny that we did not have issues. What will make her carry our properties? I know why she took the TV. It was her uncle that gave us money to buy the TV. Most of the things that she took was what she contributed money to. When we moved into this flat, I was not buoyant, to be honest with you. We were staying in one room. If you saw some of those skits we were doing, it was in a one room. When we wanted to get married, it was her uncle that stays in UK. Her uncle called that said, her uncle said that Ijoma is her favorite niece. That we cannot get married and stay in a room. Her uncle sent money for us to look for a flat, and her uncle sent money for some of the things we bought. But it was still my hard-earned money that I used to buy some of the furnitures we have. Because I'm a man. I will not let another man take glory for what I know I can do for myself. The TVs she took, her uncle brought the money. The DSTV she took, her uncle brought the money. I'm not denying that. The money that she was withdrawing from my account is my money. It is my money. I'm doing this video because I've tried to reach out to her, but she's not taking my calls. She has blocked everything that concerns me. I know she will see this video. I will send the video to our admin. If you understand Facebook very well, you will know that if you have a page that you want to monetize, that you have to have an admin that stays abroad. You will be removed from the page most times. I don't have access to this page that this video is playing. My wife doesn't have access to it. But both of us have access to the admin. She made us sign a contract that she can send video to the admin and I can send video to the admin. So I know that eventually she will see this video. There's no way she don't see this video. Please, Ijoma, all I want to be sure is that my son is okay. Please. All I want to be sure is that my son is okay. I don't know where you are. I don't know whether you've traveled back to Abuja or to the north, or I don't know where you are. Please. Anywhere you want to go, please bring back my son for me. He's my son. He is my son. You cannot tell me otherwise. I paid for the hospital bill. I catered for you when you were pregnant for the child. Please, bring back my son. I am begging you in the name of God. I don't know why your mother cannot also even try to reach out to me. Your mother, I know what I've done for your mother. Your mother is now Madam Orumba that is everywhere. It is me. It is through me. It is still through me. I'm not doing this video for clout or for sympathy. I just want you to reach out to me. Let me be sure that my son is okay. What is that thing that I did that somebody know they do? That we cannot settle. Oh, grab it. Who is this person? What is it that is it? Omuameli Ijoma, did I do anything bad in supporting your career? Did I do anything bad in building you as a brand? Ijoma, so many people want me not to bring my wife out to the internet. So many people, so many of my friends tell me that if my wife starts doing this thing that I'm doing, that it will bring trouble between us. I thought it was a lie. I thought you were different. When we were posting videos of ourselves, I know some of my relatives that asked me to take my family out of social media. I know people that told me to take my family out of the net. That once you bring your family into social media, that in no long time, problem will come in. But I said no, that I will prove them wrong. That my marriage is different. If I told you people how many times we fight before we make videos in this house, some of you that envy us, Some of you that admire us, you will keep that admiring one side. And I'm halfway fair. But I know that the only thing you cannot fix in this life is death. That is why I believe that we will walk. I thought God have given me a woman that understands me perfectly. A woman that I can do business with. I'm begging you. Some of you may not know. Our son went to church just this Sunday that passed. We took our son for child education. We couldn't even post a picture. Look at the pictures. Look at the pictures. We couldn't even post a video. So that you don't think that I am here to maybe blab or to say nonsense. We went for something as big as child education. This is my son. We took this boy to church last Sunday, but family problem couldn't allow us to post this boy's pictures or our ceremony online. Because of the family problem, we couldn't post even a picture. Content creators, you know that anything we do, we post. We couldn't even post even a picture. Look at the pictures here so that you don't think that I'm just here to maybe fabricate. Oh God help me. Oh God help me. I'm tired. Look at the mom here dancing. Look at the mom here dancing so that you don't think that I'm just blabbing. Look at, just look at. Our son was dedicated last Sunday, but due to all this problem, we couldn't even, oh God. Oh God. Something as big as child education. Look at us here praying. When you see us, we'll be doing ow, 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 ow. Not knowing that this couple, oh, forget. I must. Anybody that asks you not to bring your marriage on the internet has a reason. You will look at us. When we were coming out in the same uniform, I know how some people were saying, ow, ow, we love them. But not knowing what a man is going through. It's not if I say it, I will die. I don't know my offense. I don't look at us giving testimony. If you look at me here, you will be seeing a tired man. I was fed up. Actually, they asked me to speak, but I said no, that my wife should speak because let her speak. I don't have time. I was forced to do this thing that I have seen. I was forced. They forced me to buy these materials just for fans to think that we are so sweet. I'm tired. I'm tired of hiding under social media and hiding under couple ghosts. I'm damn tired. What will make a married woman carry things from the husband's house and just run away without even telling the man what is my offense? I offended you, Ijoma, and I agree, and I've apologized. Why will you disappear with my child? For crying out loud. Look at our pastor praying for us. The only thing I just want is to be sure that my son is okay. The only thing that I just want to be sure is that my son is okay. I just want to be sure. Look at the pictures, so many pictures. So many pictures that we took, but we couldn't post it. We couldn't post it because we can't be having marital problem and we'll be here doing couple goals because I was tired. I was fed up. I asked the boy not to release the pictures to anybody. Look at us dancing. Look at us. Yes, this is where people ask me to dance. That I was too quiet. Just so that you don't think that this is our picture. Our child education last Sunday. We couldn't post it. I'm tired. If I say I'm not tired, I'll be lying. If I say I'm not tired, may God help me. May God help me. May God help me. Hi. We couldn't even post a video because of the atmosphere. We have to take him to church because our pastor knows that it is the right time and our families have been disturbing us. Even the mother has been disturbing. When is this child going to church? We took our son to church. We did not post a video, a picture. There is no day in this house that we don't fight and argue. There is no single day. Please, if you know where my wife and my son is, please help me. I just want to make sure that my son is okay. I don't want this. I'm doing this because it's for me, it is my last resort. Can nwere accident today? As I no get accident today when I was rushing back, I will not get accident again in my life. You need to see my bumper. As I did not die today, because I thought that they kidnapped my wife or something has happened to her, or maybe she was held hostage. If I called her mother, she will not pick. If I call her, user busy. And I was running, not knowing that my wife is busy, packing out, carrying things that belong to us. To be honest, I wish it's a prank. I wish this is a joke. I wish I can come out tomorrow and say that this video I made is a prank. How I wish. Like, I wish I've not asked God for something to be a prank more than this. I wish this is a publicity stunt. I wish this is just for clout. I wish. If you know what I'm passing through. I'm not denying. I offended my wife. And I've begged for forgiveness. I'm not denying it. But it's just like every other misunderstanding that couples have. I offended my wife. I'm not denying. But I've apologized as a man. No wala. No wala. No wala. No wala. Nothing. No wala.
Good evening, everyone. Good day, everyone, depending on when you will see this. This is me actually failing myself. If you take a good look at me, you know that I'm not well. I'm not really strong. But then, I don't know. I just disappointed myself by doing this video. Because I had promised myself that I don't have strength for all this drama. I will not say anything. Let me get my sanity first. I am sick. I am tired. Look at me. When you look at me, you know that I'm not well. But I just have to do this. Chijioke. Chijioke. You know they say, I don't even know where to start from. How will somebody's husband, a man that says he's a husband, why would you in any situation, what would warrant you to put my number on Facebook? Knowing full well that we have millions of, do you know Do you know what it means for my phone number to be on Facebook? I was just getting buzzes. I was just getting calls, messages. I didn't know what I did. I didn't know how to react. I didn't know how to respond. Picking random calls, people I don't know. I had to put off my phone for my sanity. Aisha, where are you? Aisha, what is happening? Come back this, come back that. Making me look like a bad person. I am not a bad person. Okay. We did not have this problem today. We did not have this problem yesterday. It was not day before yesterday. I had my reasons not to say anything. I did not want to say anything at all. I did not. Every time I'll be bringing my dirty learnings to social media. I don't want that kind of life. Chijoke, why is it that you always resort to this kind of life, and you end up dragging me? You end up dragging me. Why? Why? You make it look as if I am a bad person. You know, they say when you wash your clothes and you dry them outside, people outside will see it. And then they won't even help you pack it. They won't even help you do anything. It is you that has the power to pack or to leave it. That is how it is with problems. When you bring your problems outside to the media, to people, they will just hear and keep telling people, and I don't want that. I've had enough. I'm not the first person to get married to an online personality, and I won't be the last. And it is working for other people. So why is my own different? Chijoke, you have been begging. Chijoke, why didn't you say what you did? Why is it me? Why do you paint me as a bad person? I'm not doing this video in regards to what Chijoke said, what my husband said. I'm not doing this. I'm doing this because of the comments I'm seeing. I'm doing this because of the calls I'm receiving. Quite alright, there are well-meaningful people that mean good. I know that, and I applaud and appreciate you people. Chijoke, you know that I will see the video you made. You know also that I have access to our media operator. You know I have access to our Mafia. What do they even call this thing again? Our page moderator, our page manager. Initially, he made sure that I don't have access because I don't know. He says that he has insecurity, that maybe I might influence. I don't know. He blocked me totally from that guy. But to the glory of God, after so many quarrels, we had to sign an agreement that because we are doing it's Odogwu and Aisha, it's not Odogwu and Odogwu. So both of us should have access. And fine, he finally gave me access to the page manager. So this video, I will send it to him, and you too, you will see just the way I saw the one you did. Chijoke, I told you that I will leave. Do you think I was lying? Do you think I was lying when I told you that I will leave? Why didn't you say what you did? You came out, you said, I did this, you made me who I am today. Chijoke, did I not contribute to who you are today? The TV, you came out to say that I took the TV, I took the money. I don't want to say this. I'm not proud of what I'm about to do. But since you want us to fight in the mud, let us do it. The TV, as a woman that is leaving your house, should I not go with my properties? Should I leave it for you? It's not possible now. The TVs, my uncle bought them. He gave them to me as wedding. He gave those things to me. And when I was leaving, I had to go with them. Is it a crime? Why are you making it look like I chose me? I'm no longer interested. I had to pack I didn't even go with most of the things. If I went, when I knew Yambaba, when I knew Chijoke, he was staying in one room apartment. There were no chairs. It was just one foam. It wasn't even a mattress. It is me. It is with my money that I bought I did bed. I constructed a bed. I bought more car foam. Chijoke was lying on one gura foam. This foam that it is always bent. It was with my money that I bought bed. I bought mattress. Then, okay, later I now told him, you know, I was a person that saw future in what he was doing, and I supported him. I believed that we could work together. So this one that he's saying he made me. If I did not come to your life, would you have progressed? Was it not ever since I got into your life that people now knew you? When you were doing Kimora and Odogwu or whatever it was that you were doing, who knew you beyond? The only thing that you were popular, but you were cashless. You were a broke comedian. You know that. You didn't have 1 naira. When Chijoke, when you came to marry me, it was shuttle you came with. You didn't have kobo. It was a shuttle you came to. God. See, the person is saying he made me. I made you. I made you who you are today. The success, the money he's talking that Alat was doing fiam. People, let me ask you this thing. If you are working with, am I not working? Am I not entitled to money? But no, every money goes to him. It is what he gives me, the shishi he gives me that I manage, and I don't complain. Because he's my husband. I believe he should be the one to take care of me today. Everything I want, I ask him. Hairs, I don't have hair because he said he's not a hair person. He shouldn't buy. Look, he shouldn't, I'm not supposed to be thinking of hair. I'm supposed to be thinking of how to, I know all of that, but women need accessories. I'm not a man. There are ways that women think, but he doesn't understand all of those things. And he doesn't even give me the money to buy those things. Is this so, do I need to be working with a man that does not give me my own quota? A man that does not give me my own money? Everything goes to his account. It's not as if we have a joint account. Everything goes to his account directory. When they pay money, it goes to him. I don't know how much we make. And you know how Facebook pays. I don't know how much we make. Everything goes to him directly. And he doesn't pay me. I'm not saying I'm after accountability. But what is good. And we know what is good. But that is not what I'm here for. Chijoke does not give me where he does not give me upkeep money. As a married woman, am I not entitled? You don't remember that this is my job. Because if I'm working outside, I'll be coming home with my salary. Month's end, I'll be coming home with my salary. And I will take out my upkeep money. Chijoke, you don't pay me salary. Chijoke, you don't give me upkeep money. The only thing you say is, you provide for the house, you provide for the house. What of me as a woman? Do I not need to take care of myself? But all of those things, I don't even count them. Chijoke, you talked about hospital bill. Obonyega Kuzugo hospital bill. Were you not the one that impregnated me? Will I cater? Am I a single mother? Even single mother, apologies to single women. I don't even want to shout. I'm feeling stressed. Apologies to single mothers, but even the single mothers, baby mamas, some of the responsible men still take care of their children. So Chijoke, you that went to my village, you brought me, you married me, everybody knew that I'm your wife. I took in. Are you not supposed to cater for the baby? If you don't cater for the baby, where will I get the money to cater for the baby? I see you're now online saying you cater. People are now, you see one thing with this African society, it favors the man. Men, both and women, we are the problem of all women, we are the problem of ourselves. I went through some of the comments I was seeing, and so most of the bashes I was getting were from women, that I'm a bad person. It is unfortunate that people don't even understand what acting is. So they think that Aisha that they see in skits is the Aisha in real life. Mind you, that all of those things I put up there, all of those things I act there, they are what he says. Chijoke will make me appear bad. He will give me scripts that will make me be a bad person, while he be the good person. But in actual sense, he's the bad in real life. You need to see how he controls me. Everybody, people will keep saying, will you even survive in this marriage? That is to show you how he treats me. I don't go out. He doesn't allow me to go out. He doesn't allow me to make friends. He doesn't allow me to go to my family house, because he doesn't want people to be advising me, because everywhere I go, people tell me this man he's too controlling. You can't stay with him. You can't eat your man. Find your way. But I still persist, because I believe he's my husband. I believe he should be the head. And then he comes out to cry first, and people are bashing me. People are now calling me the bad person. My mother came for I'm not making mouth, but in my family we are very talented. My mother came in, and before you know it was Saloko, Madam Orumba special, Madam Orumba special, and he is opening his mouth to say that he made my. Do you know how much Madam Orumba has made for him? Do you know that Chijioke has never, all through the almost getting to 3 months, 4 months that my mother has been with us, do you know that Chijioke has never upgraded 1,000 naira baroko? He has never given it to my mother, say, Mommy, take it, even if it's mango, go and buy. Do you know that he has never done that? And he's busy saying that he made my mother who she is. Who do you that you are making people, who are you? Are you today end nuts? Even today end nuts doesn't come to glorify himself the way you made it. Who are you? Who are you? When they come to, if they start calling influencers, would they reach you? It won't even get to you, Chijioke. Humble. The major problem Chijioke has is pride. And that is what will ruin him. I'm not praying for his ruin, so because he's the father of my child. That is what will ruin him. So back to this whole thing. People that I don't know why Facebook has, you people are, sometimes I'm just on a mob. When something happens, why not use your thinking faculty? Why not ask what causes it? I've lived with you for getting to 2 years and I didn't leave the house. The first time I'm leaving the house with my properties, people can't even ask what happened. Why did I leave? They are just bashing me. Chijioke, do you want me to say? I know that this will happen. That was why I kept record of everything. I have it, all the tapes. Inside this phone, I have everything that happened. Because he called Quadrum. And I already know people are against me. They don't like me. They say I'm the bad person. So when I start talking, they will say I'm lying. Thank God I recorded everything. And since we are now doing this online, I will just be releasing. I will just be releasing them. I just hope you also have your own. We'll just be releasing it. I have everything. So I'm just giving you the opportunity. I know you watch it. I'm a man. You must see it. Because there is nothing you pass. The only thing you came to this world to do is to watch people's videos, to watch videos. So I know that you will see this video. Chijioke, I'm giving you 24 hours. I'm giving you limited time to say what you say it with your mouth. You brought this matter to, okay. Shebi, you said that you want to know that I'm fine. I'm fine. My son is very fine. I will lay my life for my child. So nothing is even wrong. Don't even go there. Don't use that manipulation. Don't even go there. My child is fine. And you can see, I've been talking for more than 14 minutes now. It shows that I'm fine. Just that I'm not too strong. But I'm still fine. For me to talk for 14 minutes, so as I was saying, I've cleared that side. Okay, see what you just want to know whether I'm fine, and if your son, I've answered you. We are all fine. Everybody is doing well. Chijioke, but I'm giving you limited time to say what you did. Say it with your mouth. Forget all this pity party. I don't know. Say what you did. If not, I will just play it in HD television for everybody to see. Then when people now see, they will now come back. These people that have been saying things under the post, the video you made, they will now come back to tell me whether what I did was wrong or what I did was right. But for now, let's just be playing with each other. Make we dey play. Let's keep doing. I know that I could not have left my husband's house because of a mere now. I'm an Igbo girl. And my mother too would not have For me to leave means that if I mere karerim and do wuterim and do ririm na. So Chijioke, I'm giving you the opportunity to say what you did. Before we continue. But if you don't want to take this opportunity I'm giving you, I am ready with all pleasure, with all might, to say it. Before I go, this is a little advice. Don't be quick. Facebook has, for you people, our fans, don't be quick to throw blames. Don't be quick to judge people. Don't be quick to condemn. Hey, Aisha is a bad person. She has bad mouth. I know that she doesn't respect her husband. I know. Do you live with me? Are you in my house with me? Or if I found for online, is it the basis for you to judge who I am? It is well. Like I said, we are in a man's world. The world is governed by men. So women is the little they give to us that we sustain with. But when our fellow women now want to tear us down, so thank you for those that have called to check on me. I really appreciate. I am doing well. Chijoke, I'm fine. Where I am, I'm very good. This is what I need. I just need peace. There is something with being in where your spirit does not accept anymore. I was with, like I said, this whole thing did not happen yesterday. It did not happen day before yesterday. We had even gone for our child day. I tried to see if I will move on, but Okweram, I'm a human being. I have feelings. I couldn't just stay any longer. There was no point. Do you know what it means? You wake up in the morning, but you don't even have, it's just as if you are purposeless. Like I was just miserable. So my mother saw it too. Thank God for mothers. Thank God. And then I just had to leave. And to the glory of God, I'm getting myself. And I believe that I will get myself. It's just a matter of time. And God is by my side. God will sustain me. He will give me strength. Thank you for the people that have called to inquire genuinely. Because Chijoke tinye number now. The whole world. Do you know what it means? Calling your main line. Chijoke. It's alright, no problem. No problem. So, guys, let's call in much later. Bye-bye. Thank you.